Hey, welcome back, guys, to Jazz Arranging class. Today I want to go over a couple things that I thought about how you can delay a resolution, either at the end of a tune or in a 2/5 situation where you're going to go to the tonic chord. So if you're not familiar with the term tonic, that means basically the root of the key. So if you're in F major, the tonic note would be F, the tonic chord would be F major, or some variation of that, F major 9, whatever. But tonic refers to that home key. Now you can do temporary tonics throughout a tune, and that's basically a temporary shift to another key. But in general, I'm going to be talking today about just the tonic of a tune. So the tune I'm going to play is called Polkadots and Moonbeams. And the first thing I want to show you, just a quick way to delay a resolution of a 5/7 chord. I've covered this in a different video, but just for example, if we have G minor 7 going to C7, you could certainly do that. That was C7 flat 9 or C13 flat 9. But what I'm going to do is delay the resolution by using the suspended fourth of the C dominant chord. So F to E, and you'll see that right now. Okay, so that's useful throughout a tune, no matter what tonic you're temporarily tonicizing. But the two specific ones that I want to cover after that is basically delaying a resolution at the end of a tune or the end of maybe a B section. So this tune, as I mentioned, is in the key of F major. So I'm going to play through the tune, and you're going to hear the first one that I'll show you is delay the resolution of the tonic by going to the half step major 7 or 9 or whatever above F, which is G flat. Okay, first I'll play through the tune. I'll delay some of those 5/7 resolutions, and then I'll end the tune on the tonic, which is actually for G flat major 7 is the 7th of the chord. So we're going to delay the resolution of the tonic by inserting a G flat major 9 or whatever in at the very end, the penultimate chord. So here it is. Okay, so that delays the resolution of a tonic with a simple and that leaves the melody note on the tonic while we insert those chords. Now the next one is a little bit more of a complicated one. What we're going to do is go to the tritone substitution, the diminished, half diminished 7 in this key, which is B minor 7 flat 5. And as you'll see, F is going to stay the same all the way through. We're going to chromatically move downwards all the way back to the tonic F. B minor 7 flat 5, B flat minor 6, F over A or F2 over A flat 13, G minor 7, G flat major 7 to F. And I'll end on an F, maybe 9 sharp 11 chord. Okay, so listen again and watch how I delay the resolution a little more by going to that minor 7 flat 5 tritone away from F. Okay, so those are two ways that you can, whether you're writing for a combo, big band, you can always insert those chord progressions and then move the horns around to fit those. You can even move with a big band. If you had a soloist that ended on the note F, have the big band play kind of a melody above that using those chords, and the soloist stays on the F. Maybe once the band ends, then they can noodle, but you'll see that the tonic fit into every one of those chords. Except the last one I did sharp 11. Okay, so I hope that gives you some ideas, and keep writing. I'll talk to you soon.